Gustians. Hope you all are fine and well at your places. This is your art and craft time, and today I am going to make you learn rainy season clothes. So get ready to do this activity. To draw rainy season clothes, first of all you have to draw a semicircle like this. Then draw 4 curves like this. Then join the end of these corners to the top side like this with straight lines. Now draw a circle on the top side and letter J at the bottom. Our umbrella is ready. For the raincoat, just draw letter V and join it with half circle. Again, trace it like this. Now draw sleeping lines on both sides, standing lines. Again draw 2 standing lines here. Now join these lines with an oval shape like this. Now draw a letter A in the center. Join it with 2 sleeping lines. Now draw a deep and long letter V like this. Our raincoat is ready. For the long shoes, just draw standing line here, 1 small standing line here, join it with oval shape, small sleeping line, 1 long sleeping line and join it with this curve. Now draw a small zigzag line here. Again do it. Standing line, small standing line, join it with an oval shape. Long sleeping line, small sleeping line, join it with curve. Just draw a small zigzag line. Now you can draw a rectangular shape at the bottom of these shoes. So, our rain shoes are ready. So these are our rainy season clothes. Try this at home. Thank you so much.